Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by loading the YouTube video that has live captions. This matters because live captions stream differently than uploaded subtitles. Once the player appears, look at the bottom right for the CC label or the subtitles indicator. That's your control. If you don't see CC, click the settings gear to reveal subtitles/CC. Make sure the stream actually sends captions before toggling them off. This first step prevents chasing the wrong control and saves time when you move to the next action. Now that you can see the captions control, click the CC icon or Open Settings and choose Subtitles/CC. You do this because live captions are controlled separately from audio or video. Once the menu opens, select Off. This stops the live caption stream immediately and reduces on-screen clutter. On mobile apps, tap the three-dot menu or the Captions icon and then toggle Captions off. Make sure to confirm the selection. After this, captions should disappear for the current session. Finish by confirming the captions are gone. Refresh the page or replay the stream because some players re-enable captions on reload. If the option is missing, check that your YouTube app is updated and that no accessibility setting forces captions. You may also need to review device caption settings. If captions persist, clear the browser cache or sign out and sign back in to reset preferences. This usually resolves stuck states. If problems continue, restart the device and try again.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.